You might think of it as an infinitely dense point to which this massive star collapses. So what are we picturing? It's this thing called a singularity. Actually, it's not right to talk about the centre of a black hole, really. Just even in pure general relativity, when you look at a nice map of a black hole, a so-called Penrose diagram named after Roger Penrose, what you see is that space and time are so distorted that in some sense their roles swap. The singularity is not really a place in space at all. It's a moment in time. And actually, it's the end of time. But the nature of that thing was not, and is still not, understood.
It's one of the strangest and most fascinating questions in all of modern space science. What really lies inside a black hole? We've never been able to peek inside one, and by their very nature, we may never be able to. Yet some physicists believe the answer isn't just mind-blowing, it might be us. Yes, a growing number of scientists think that our entire universe may have been born inside a black hole, and recently, data from the James Webb Space Telescope added unexpected support to this radical idea. So how could that be possible? After all, black holes are thought to destroy anything that falls into them. Or do they stick around until the end? Because if this theory is right, then you might just be inside a black hole right now. The universe is the ultimate creator of extremes, crafting some of the most hostile, chaotic, and mind-bending environments known to science. One of its most powerful creations? Black holes. These gravitational monsters are so powerful that they trap everything that comes too close, including light itself. And yet not all black holes are the same. At the smaller end, we have stellar black holes, formed when massive stars run out of fuel. The outer layers of the star explode in a supernova, while the core collapses inward under its own gravity. These black holes typically weigh a few times the mass of our Sun. But on the other end of the cosmic scale, we find supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. These behemoths anchor the centers of nearly every large galaxy, including our own. At the heart of the Milky Way lies one such object, Sagittarius A*, weighing in at about 4.3 million solar masses. Now, how supermassive black holes form remains a mystery. Some theories suggest they grew over time from smaller black holes merging, while others think they formed directly from collapsing gas clouds in the early universe. One thing is clear, though: they leave a massive imprint on their surroundings. Supermassive black holes can actually help shape entire galaxies, and their powerful jets are what drive quasars, some of the brightest objects in the cosmos. And although black holes are infamous for their destructive potential, they don't automatically destroy everything around them. Outside their event horizon, the point of no return, black holes behave like any massive object. Stars, planets, and even entire solar systems can orbit them safely as long as they don't get too close. But what happens if something does cross the event horizon? That's where things get wild. Inside a black hole, space and time behave completely differently. According to general relativity, all the matter falling in gets compressed into a singularity, a point where gravity becomes infinite and space-time as we understand it breaks down. The problem? Physics can't currently describe what actually happens at this point. Our equations just stop working. Theories like Einstein's general relativity simply don't apply under these extreme conditions. And no, we can't send a probe in to find out more. Not only would it be destroyed, but any information it gathered could never escape the black hole to be sent back. That's why scientists have to rely on theoretical models. And one of the most fascinating ideas is this: maybe what lies inside a black hole is a new universe. Some models propose that instead of a true singularity, there's a cosmic seed, a point where all the energy and matter reaches a maximum density, then rebounds in a kind of reverse Big Bang. This explosive birth could create an entirely new cosmos, separate from our own, and that leads to a mind-bending possibility. that our own universe was born from the collapse of a black hole in a parent universe. This isn't just a wild idea. Some theories, like Schwarzschild cosmology, support it mathematically. In this framework, each black hole gives birth to a baby universe inside it, cut off from its parent universe by the event horizon. And here's where things get even more interesting. A team of researchers analyzing data from the James Webb Space Telescope might have found observational evidence supporting this theory. Led by Lior Shamir of Kansas State University, the team looked at more than 260 early galaxies captured in a deep field image by JWST. What they noticed shocked them: a strange imbalance in the rotation of these galaxies. Around 2/3 of the galaxies appeared to rotate clockwise, while only 1/3 rotated in the opposite direction. That's not what you'd expect in a random universe. In a truly random cosmos, the spin of galaxies should be evenly distributed, half one way, half the other. But the rotation bias suggests something else: an initial spin or momentum potentially inherited from the black hole that birthed our universe. If the black hole that created our universe had angular momentum, meaning it was spinning, then it could have passed on that spin to the matter inside it, influencing how galaxies formed and rotated. This discovery adds weight to the idea that our universe could exist within a black hole in a larger parent universe. Each black hole in that cosmos could be the seed of a new universe like ours, and each of those universes might spawn even more. Think of it as an infinite multiverse, with black holes acting as the portals between generations of reality. Of course, this is still just a theory, but it's a theory that's gaining more and more attention as our observational tools become more advanced. The fact that James Webb has already turned up something this weird so early in its mission is a sign that we might be closer to answers than ever before. So, are we living in a black hole? We don't know for sure, but the idea is no longer just science fiction. It's a serious hypothesis supported by both physics and now, possibly, evidence. And if it turns out to be true, that would mean every black hole could be a universe of its own. And we might just be inside one, looking out. If that blew your mind even a little, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more deep dives into the strange and stunning mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.